Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Avocado salad. Not going to keep you long at all today. Really nice, quick and easy. Let's get moving. So I've got like 2 decent sized avocados in there. Try and make sure that they're ripe, but not too ripe, of course. That drives me nuts. Okay, then you can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 roughly equal amounts. There's about 3 tablespoons each of bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumber, parsley, green onions, black olives. You can add some other stuff to this, maybe some carrot or some raw mushrooms, anything you like really. And then we've got some olive oil and lemon juice. I've gone 2 to 1, so we've got a tablespoon there of lemon juice, or lime works really nice, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Simply, we're going to give this a mix. Okay, so mixing bowl. The first thing I'm going to do is get my lemon juice onto my avocados, because that stops them going brown, you know, stops them discoloring. Salt and some black pepper. The olive oil. Nice, easy, simple dressing. And then, here we go. Tomato, bell peppers, all cut really small. Green onions. Parsley, but use fresh basil maybe, or cilantro, coriander. The olives, these are delicious. They're a Kalamata, they're my favorite olive, I love them. And cucumber. Job done, look at that. Let's give that a mix. Okay, and there you go. Simple, not keeping you long today, am I? Wonderful, easy avocado salad. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.